If you want to find files on your iPhone or the Files app or certain things that you download, whether it's PDFs or pictures or videos or something transferring to your phone, it's very easy to find those files. So on iPhones, you should have a Files app. So go ahead and you should be able to find it through your list here. As you see, I have my Files app here. It's very simple to find. But if you don't find it here, what you can do and what the benefit with Apple is, you can keep on scrolling until you find your app library. So once you're in your app library, you can just go ahead and type in Files, and that Files app is going to turn up. It's basically a folder for your iPhone, but it is an actual app, so it's very easy to find in your app library. So once you're here, you can go through with your iClouds, with your downloads, with your deleted things. It's very simple to go through and search through your files to see what you have. So it will give you what's on your iCloud drive. It will give you what's on your actual iPhone itself. But that's it. It's very simple. It's very easy to get around. Just make sure that you know where your Files app is. And if it's not on your iPhone, go ahead to your app library and it'll pop up immediately.